So what's going on? Uh, Today we're going to be explaining LeetCode problem 2769. Find the maximum achievable number. So it basically says that it gives you two integers, num and t, and you're going to basically have to return x, right? And that number is achievable if it becomes equal to num after applying the following operation at most t times. Right, so the operation will be that you can increase or decrease x by 1, which is the number that you're going to have to return, and then simultaneously increase or decrease num, which is the number that is provided. So what you need to understand in this problem is that t is just like a limiting variable, and then you're going to have to use logic to determine what x could be based off num, right? So if you kind of think about it for a long time, you can kind of deduce that, for example, in this example right here, num is 4 and then t is 1, right? So at most, right, so let's say that 4 and we add 1 and decrease 6 by 1, then it's 5. It's kind of finding the middle ground between the two numbers, right? So in example 2, you can see it more clearly, right? So you could see right here, it's important to see this. T1, right? The maximum difference between this and this is two numbers. So 2, right? And then here, num is 3, but t is 2, right? So the distance, like the difference between 7 and 3 is going to be 4, right? Because there's two numbers changing every single time. Every t that is giving, there's two numbers, right? So based off this deduction, we can infer that the way to solve this is basically by multiplying t 2 times and then adding it to num, right? So see here, t times 2 plus 4, 6. T times 2 plus 3, 7. So it's basically very simple. And then this is going to be your return. It's literally that simple.